to the 2022 Rodeo Safety Competition and to North Carolina's Manufacturing Day. Yes, that's right, a safety rodeo competition with forklifts. We're going to be working with world-class high-steel forklifts. All of this is meant to demonstrate the safe and effective use of material handling equipment, as well as to have fun and for the operators to show off their honed skills behind the wheel. Competitors will be required to complete a forklift theory test, pre-use inspection, and maneuvering through bowling, basketball, and thread the needle.
What we're here to do is focus on safe, effective operation of a forklift with experienced operators, testing both their skills as well as their knowledge on operating forklifts.